वजीर एअظम ने तुर्क सदर रजब तैयब अर्दवान को उम्मत मुस्लिमा का अहम लीडर करार दे दिया। शहबाज शरीफ ने मफाहमती याददाश्तों की तकरीब से खिताब में एतराफ़ किया कि तुर्की ने हर आफत और मुश्किल घड़ी में पाकिस्तान का भरपूर साथ दिया। मसला कश्मीर पर हमेशा तवाना आवाज़ उठाई। वजीर एअظम ने उम्मीद का इजहार किया कि सदर तैयब अर्दवान का दौरा पाकिस्तान मुफीद होगा।
Highly respected leader of the Islamic world, not only you have through your vision and dynamic leadership transformed Turkey, you have also led from the front, speaking for the problems and speaking for the rights of oppressed people, be it the people of Gaza, Palestine or Kashmir. Turkey has stood by Pakistan through thick and thin. Earthquakes, floods, unconditional generosity, which under your leadership, the government of Turkey and the people of Turkey contributed towards Pakistan at that time of distress and difficulty. I have no doubt in my mind that this brotherhood, this fraternal relation will get stronger by the time, and your visit to Pakistan today has given a new level to our brotherly relations.